When the eagles are silent, the parrots begin to jabber. We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. The truth is you don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. Life is a crazy ride, and nothing is guaranteed. Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. Our prime purpose in this life is to help others, and if you can't help them, at least don't hurt them. The price of greatness is responsibility. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. You have enemies? Good. That means you've stood up for something sometime in your life. It is not enough that we do our best. Sometimes we must do what is required. We make a living by what we get. We make a life by what we give. Everyone has his day, and some days last longer than others. We shall show mercy, but we shall not ask for it. You will never get to the end of the journey if you stop to shy a stone at every dog that barks. The empires of the future are the empires of the mind. Nourish your hopes, but do not overlook at the realities. The greatest lesson in life is to know that even fools are right sometimes.